Good evening, boys and girls. So, yeah, we did a thing. We wanted to test fit everything because we haven't had the, zoom out a little bit here. We haven't had the body on the frame with the new floor pans, with the new wheels, with everything. And honestly, it gives me some good ideas, some direction. Mind you, you're going to see some weird things. This door, I don't have hinge pins in it. It just latched over here, so that's why the gap's weird here. The fenders are on by a couple bolts, and this front pan here is on with vice grips. So be gentle. But this is what we got, guys. You can see we have not bolted everything that's hanging down here in black. That's the floor pans. We haven't bolted anything up. We just set it down on it and made sure everything kind of lined up. And hey, there's a motor in there. Oh my God, what is happening? So this gives you kind of an idea of where we're at. We did a lot of work the past few days. An incredible amount of work, actually. Ron, thank you. He's been out here killing it. I've been out here killing it. A whole lot of welding and grinding and paint removal and on and on and on has gone on. We decided that we were gonna lift the body up with our hooks here, ratchet straps. This thing doesn't weigh anything. And we got it up in the air and we put the body or the frame on our little dollies we have here and wheeled it sideways right under it, which was really a good way to do it. But this kind of gives you an idea. I believe I need to go with a stock fender in the rear, not the 2-inch wider fenders. I think I need to swap that out. The other option would be leave it alone or do a spacer. But I don't really know that I want to do a spacer. So, yeah, so probably just try to find a set of stock fenders, rear fenders. As you can see, we've got, I don't know if you can see it from this angle, but it's up a little bit in the back. I think we're 3 inches higher in the back than we are in the front. What we're gonna do, what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is lower the rear, which is free. So that's fun. Just a lot of work, but it's free. So that's helpful. So yeah, we've got just an enormous amount of work done. I spent the day back here grinding all of this down. This section here is getting cut out and replaced. This section here stays, but our panel has a lip that comes up, so that'll take care of this rot. And then we have this will get replaced, this top piece. So that's coming probably next week, honestly. So I was getting prepared for that, trying to clean some of this up, get the nasty paint off of it. Probably, I'm gonna be honest with you, I think there's like 3 different colors on this. I know there's white, yellow, and then some places I've seen green. So that's kind of weird, but yeah, this is what we've got. Again, mind you, nothing's bolted down or anything. It's just sitting there. So all the bolt holes line up. So that's fantastic. I'm really happy with the front fenders and the wheels. I think this is going to work. This wheel here right now is leaning out. It's got a lot of camber on it. I just need to, when I get an alignment, that'll take care of that. But this fender has a pretty good dent in it that we're gonna have to take care of. But I don't think I'm gonna rub or hit, which is really, really good. So, happy with the fronts. They were the ones I was afraid of. One of the big reasons why we put all this together was to see that right there, to make sure that I didn't screw up on the fitment on the wheels. What really, you gotta understand, rear wheels were 15 by 5.5. I went 17 by 7 and then went with a wider tire. and I still have, you know, 2 inches of fist. So I need to get this down, and I need to get stock fenders so we go in. They're 2 inches narrower, and I think that'll be money. So yeah, this is what we got. This is 3.5 months of work. You know, probably quite a bit of money, and just a hell of a lot of work, honestly. But seeing it like this is such a motivator, you know. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, you know. I know that if I find a good set of rear fenders that don't need a lot of work, that should be an easy solution. And then, you know, hopefully this week, for sure, we should have this front panel on and welded on. So that'll be nice. I ordered from the thingparts.com. Mike, thank you again. New headlight buckets, because these are just fucking terrible. And so we have new ones coming. So we'll get those out of there. I'm sure that won't be fun to do, but we'll get it done. But yeah, I think we're gonna drop 2 to 3 inches in the rear, probably 2 inches. Front's gonna stay the same, and you have to figure there is a front bumper that goes here, so it's gonna go even lower. So realistically, another 2 inches lower in the front with the bumper on it. So kind of cool, guys. I just thought I'd show you what we got. We've done a lot, a whole lot, and this is kind of what this looks like, so you guys get an idea. All of that steering work and all of that looks pretty damn good down there. All of the welding and grinding and patches and all the work that's gone on up here that Ron's done, which is incredible, is looking pretty good. So this is what we got, boys and girls. I just wanted to show you. I thought this was pretty cool. But we have pretty good fitment. The front fenders fit good. The back fenders, I mean, those aren't the ones that are going to go in the car, so that's, you know, what it is. But when we get the stock ones, it'll be perfect. They'll everything back there will look right. Headlight buckets are coming. You know, we're working our way to the back. Right now, we are about here. Actually, well, really, we're about here. So next couple days, we're going to blow this all back apart and then put this in, which is right there. We'll put that panel in here, and then we got the 2 panels for up here, and get all that fixed. And then my happy ass is going to be back here, removing a lot of this paint, cleaning this up, you know. But I don't really want to get into it yet until I get these pieces out, so that I can actually physically fit back here and have a lot better time. But yeah, guys, this is our 1973 Volkswagen Thing. It's lowered 3 inches in the front. It's got 17x7 wheels on it. We just kind of put it together tonight for the first time since November, just to make sure what we've done fits, and it does. So, and you got to figure there's a lot of stuff left to do, but it's pretty mean looking. I like it. So, really happy with it, and I think we're gonna be all right, guys. So hopefully, couple more weeks of doing the grind here, rust repair, and start doing the beginning of the all metal and all of that, and off we go. Something we did do, we welded up the holes for the antenna and the mirror and all that. We got to grind it down. One of the last things we did today, but we're going with the California mirrors. they'll mount here, and will look just a whole lot better. I don't know if they'll be as functional as the stock mirrors, but they'll be good enough to drive for sure. We have them on all our street rods and whatnot. We just absolutely love them. So I saw a picture of one of these, red actually, which about the same color we're going, that had those mirrors on it, and it just looked sharp. So yeah. Well, guys, girls, tomorrow we're going to the last Sumter swap meet that said Sumter Fairgrounds. I think they're moving to another location, but we're going to go over there and see what's there and see if we can't find more crap and for the 50 projects we have, and yeah, come home and put this thing back in the air and get the frame back outside and get back to it. So hope you guys like this. It's a little mock-up, but you know, I'm gonna be honest, the last time I saw it like this, it was that ugly tan color and terrible, and the front was rotted off and it just looked like hell. So this is a huge improvement to what we had, and it's a lot of motivation for us to just keep going. So hopefully the next time you guys see this like this, it'll be flame red and looking like something. So we'll talk to you soon, and tomorrow we might have another video. Might wait until Monday, Tuesday, I'm not sure, but please, if you would, like these videos and subscribe to the channel would be really helpful to us. We're trying to build it. And again, tell me what you think of the name change from The Road Less Traveled for the channel to Brown's Rod and Custom, because we're going to be doing nothing but rods and customs and Volkswagens and hot rods and everything for the foreseeable future. So there might be some house stuff or something here or there, but I think we're for the most part going to be doing cars. So I think it might be a suitable name change. So let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.